Many people ask when they see a 1-ton mini excavator, it's so small and priced so competitively. Is the performance really reliable? Hello everyone. Today, we take an in-depth look at the full production process of the HUAYI HY10 mini excavator, its heavy-duty specifications and real-world performance. Let's witness its true working capability. Most people's first impression of 1-ton machines is light, small, and what truly determines whether a machine can work long-term is structural strength and overall stability. The HY10 features a compact body design. With its small size, it can easily access yards, orchards, greenhouses, and indoor construction sites. Yet we have not lowered standards just because of its size. The dozer blade is expertly crafted from high-strength, wear-resistant steel for long-lasting durability. With a solid structure, let's move on to the power system. Power is not about being the biggest, it's about proper matching. The HY10 is equipped with a high-efficiency power system, delivering smooth and consistent output. Small machines rely more on sustained performance than instant power. Stable operation over long working hours is what makes it truly practical. Power provides the source of strength, but what determines smooth operation is the hydraulic system. The HY10's hydraulic system is optimally matched and calibrated. During actual operation, you will clearly feel smooth control levers, stable rotation, natural connected digging movements. There are no obvious pauses, jolts, or delays. In precision work such as trenching, edging, and nursery operations, this refined control directly improves the efficiency. Easy operation leads to smoother workflow. Next, structural strength. Then we have the chassis and track system. The chassis is the foundation of the machine's stability. The HY10 track has a proper ground contact area and stable grip. It runs smoothly on soft ground, sand, gravel, or rough terrain. It turns naturally and is resistant to slippage. Small machines need stable support more than ever. Otherwise, shaking easily occurs during rotation. This difference is very obvious in actual operation. The durability of a machine is truly tested by its boom and frame. The HUAYI boom is made of high-strength steel with a reinforced design at key stress points. Welds are uniform and solid with a compact overall structure. Bucket is built with high-strength structure as a high-frequency wear part. The bucket directly faces impact and friction. The HY10 uses wear-resistant materials for the bucket, with thickened teeth, reinforced bottom plate, and strengthened side plates. It maintains great cutting ability and structural stability during repeated digging, backfilling, and cleaning. Many job sites have loose soil on the surface, but underneath there are often gravel, bricks, or hard debris. If the structure is not strong enough, fatigue issues can easily occur after long-term, high-frequency use. The design standard of this machine is not reduced because of its small tonnage. Now, let's talk about the manufacturing process. The real quality assurance of a machine lies not only in the design drawings, but also in production, starting with laser-cut steel plates to ensure dimensional accuracy, followed by precision machining with strict error control on key parts, welding to enhance structural strength, painting to improve corrosion resistance and durability, and final assembly and testing to ensure coordination between the hydraulic and power systems. From raw materials to finished machines, every process is controlled by strict standards. The reason for our competitive pricing is factory direct manufacturing and optimized processes, not lower standards. We always believe a truly valuable machine is not a one-time consumable, but a reliable partner that supports customers in long-term work and continuously creates efficiency. We focus not only on factory parameters, but also on performance in real working conditions. We pursue not only sales volume, but also stable operation of every machine after delivery. From design and R&D to production and manufacturing to complete machine testing, every step remains controllable, traceable, and verifiable, because we understand that one machine carries the customer's construction schedule, cost investment, and project responsibility. This is not just the HUAYI HY10 mini excavator. It is HUAYI's commitment to quality and responsibility. HUAYI machinery insists on testing machines in real construction sites. Let the product speak for itself and win trust with strength. If you are looking for a truly reliable mini excavator, welcome to learn more about the HUAYI HY10.